Want to create a lush vertical garden without planting in the ground? You're in luck! In this video, we're exploring 10 climbing plants that absolutely thrive in pots. Whether you're gardening on a balcony or decorating a small patio, these climbers will turn your space into a green paradise. So grab your favorite container and let's dive into these gorgeous climbers. Clematis is a favorite among gardeners for good reason. With its showy flowers and wide range of colors, it makes a stunning addition to any vertical garden. The key to success with clematis in pots is a deep container and a sturdy trellis for support. Although it looks delicate, many clematis varieties are hardy enough to handle cold winters, especially in USDA zones 4 through 9. It loves its roots cool and shaded, while its leaves enjoy full sun, a unique growing preference that's perfect for container setups. Pair it with low-growing annuals at the base of your pot to keep the roots shaded and watch as this beauty climbs with grace and elegance. It's a true showstopper. If fragrance is your thing, then sweet peas are a must-have. These charming little climbers produce an abundance of colorful, scented blooms that add a romantic feel to any garden. Perfect for USDA zones 2 through 11 as an annual, sweet peas can easily be grown in pots with bamboo stakes or a small trellis. They grow fast and give a full bouquet of blooms through the cooler months. While they do need consistent moisture and rich soil, their cheerful presence and intoxicating aroma make the extra care worthwhile. Looking to add some tropical flair? Bougainvillea delivers bright, papery blooms that seem to glow in the sun. Despite their exotic look, these plants thrive in containers, especially in warm climates. USDA zones 9 through 11 are ideal, but if you live in cooler regions, you can still enjoy bougainvillea by overwintering it indoors. Just make sure it gets plenty of sun. Bougainvillea loves to dry out a bit between waterings, which actually encourages more blooming. Add a trellis or let it spill over a large pot, and you'll have a cascade of vibrant color. Mandevilla is another tropical stunner with trumpet-shaped flowers in pink, red, or white. It grows vigorously and brings elegance to small spaces when planted in pots. Best suited for USDA zones 9 to 11, Mandevilla loves warmth and bright, indirect sunlight. With the right support, it can grow several feet tall in a single season. Don't forget to feed it regularly during the growing season. This beauty loves its fertilizer. With lush foliage and long-lasting blooms, it's perfect for adding a luxurious vibe to your patio. This cheerful vine is fast-growing and super easy to maintain. With its bright yellow or orange flowers and dark centers, the black-eyed Susan vine brings a playful energy to any pot. Ideal for USDA zones 9 to 11, it's often grown as an annual in cooler areas. It climbs quickly with the help of a small trellis or obelisk and starts blooming in just a few weeks. This is a great choice for beginner gardeners because it's not too fussy and delivers a burst of color with minimal effort. Morning glories are named for their charming habit of opening their trumpet-shaped flowers in the early light of day. They climb fast and can turn a plain fence or railing into a floral curtain. USDA zones 3 through 10 can enjoy this climber as an annual. It's super low maintenance and thrives in pots with full sun and well-drained soil. The seeds need to be soaked before planting to speed up germination, but once they're up and running, they practically take care of themselves. Few climbing plants can compete with the sweet scent of pink jasmine. This variety produces soft pink buds that open into starry white flowers, filling the air with perfume. Best in USDA zones 8 to 11, pink jasmine is perfect for large containers and grows well with vertical supports, like bamboo poles or a trellis. It appreciates morning sun and some afternoon shade. When it blooms in late winter or early spring, it becomes a fragrant masterpiece in your outdoor space. Passion flowers are absolutely mesmerizing, with intricate blooms that look like they came from another world. They're perfect for anyone looking to add a unique and exotic touch. In USDA Zones 6 to 10, passion flowers can thrive in pots with adequate drainage and room for roots to spread. They also appreciate regular watering during the growing season. Some varieties also produce edible fruit, making them both ornamental and functional. Just give them a sunny spot and watch them climb with enthusiasm. If you want to attract hummingbirds, trumpet vine is a top choice. Its bold, tubular flowers are irresistible to pollinators and make a dramatic statement in pots. Trumpet vine is hardy in USDA zones 4 to 9 and grows vigorously, sometimes too vigorously. In a pot, however, you can control its spread while still enjoying its fiery blooms. Use a heavy container and sturdy support to handle its robust growth. It's a bold climber that brings excitement and life to any garden corner. Star jasmine wraps your space in sweet fragrance and dense green foliage. Its small white flowers bloom in clusters and climb beautifully in containers. Thriving in USDA zones 8 to 11, star jasmine prefers full sun to partial shade and can climb or trail, depending on your setup. It's perfect for patios, entryways, or balconies, where its scent can be fully appreciated. Plus, it's evergreen in warm climates, keeping your garden green year-round. There you have it, 10 stunning climbing plants that grow beautifully in pots. Whether you want fragrance, color, or just some vertical green drama, these climbers have you covered. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which climber you'll try first. Happy planting and see you in the next video.